So on page 194, we're going to talk about an extension topic, which is creating the exponential function given 2 points. So here's the formula for an exponential equation, and I have these 2 points. So what I need to do is I need to plug them in. So I'm going to rewrite each equation with my variables plugged in. And so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to solve this equation for A. So I now know that 8 over b squared equals A. And so pretty much what we're doing is we're making a system of equations. I'm going to take this and I'm going to plug it into my other equation. So 32, and instead of writing A, I'm now going to write 8 over b squared, b cubed. And now you can use your rules of exponents. 32 equals 8 times b, because b cubed divided by b squared is just b. If these two didn't cancel out so pretty so that it was just b to the first power, you could maybe have b squared here. You would just divide by 8 and square root it. In this case, we got really lucky. It's just going to be b. So I'm going to divide by 8, divide by 8. 32 divided by 8 is 4. So I now know that 4 equals b. And then I'm going to go back the other way and plug it back in again. So 8 over, when I plug in 4 here, 4 squared is 16. Equals A, so I now know that 1/2 equals A, and for the final step you have to write your equation. Y equals 1/2 4 to the x power, and now you've written your exponential. On the back side of this page, on page 195, we're doing something similar, only we're going to write the equation of a power function. Power function is very similar, only the x is in the equation as opposed to being the exponent. So down on the bottom there's 2 examples, and I'm going to do letter C. So I have 2 points, 2, 1, and 7, 6. So same process. I'm going to plug this in so I get 1 equals A, 2 to the B, and 6 equals A, 7 to the B. I'm going to solve this equation for A. So 1 over 2 to the b power equals A. Plug it in over here. 6 equals 1 over 2 to the b power, 7 to the b power. And even though this is 1, this could be any number, but I can do a little bit of math, and I'll put the 1 out front, and I can rewrite this as 7 to the b over 2 to the b. And so again, this could be any number, and then when you rewrite it like this, you divide this number over. Since it's 1, we don't have to divide it over, but now I can rewrite this as 7 over 2 to the b power. Because both these exponents were the same, I can pull the exponent out, and that makes this really pretty because 7 divided by 2 is 3.5 to the b. And now I can use my logs and convert this. Log base 3.5 of 6 equals b. I'm going to grab my calculator real quick. I'm just going to type in my calculator. Log base 3.5 of 6. Run around to 3 decimal places, so 1.430. And then again, you take this back up here and plug it in. So 1 over 2 to the 1.430 power is going to equal my A. So I'm just going to type that in the calculator. 1 over 2 raised to the 1.43 power. And again, around to 3 decimals, A is about 0.371. And then the last step, make sure you actually write your equation. That's why you did all this math. 0.371 x to the 1.43 or 430 power. And there's your answer. You're going to do page 196 for homework, and 196 is just like these 2 examples. Hopefully you understand. If not, post all your questions on Edmodo.